In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text to your video in DaVinci Resolve. This is useful for titles, captions, labels, or simple on-screen information. Let's get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. This is where you build and edit your timeline. Now make sure your video clip is already on the timeline. Next, go to the Effects library in the top left corner. Click Titles. Here you'll see several text options you can use. For a simple title, drag text onto the timeline above your video clip. Place it on a video track above your footage. This will create a text layer that appears on screen. Now select the text clip on the timeline. Go to the inspector in the top right corner. Here you can customize your text. In the text field, type the words you want to appear in your video. You can also change the font, size, and color. If you want to move the text on the screen, adjust the position controls. This lets you place the text exactly where you want it. You can also change how long the text appears. Just drag the edge of the text clip in the timeline to make it longer or shorter. If you want more advanced text effects, you can use Text Plus instead of the basic text tool. Text Plus allows you to create animations, effects, and more advanced titles. But for most videos, the basic text tool works perfectly. And that's how you add text to your video in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know how to use titles, you can add labels, captions, and simple graphics to make your videos clearer and more engaging. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more quick and simple editing guides.